Hey everybody, what's up? The track is a fantastic place to hone your skills. But we make mistakes and that's okay. Before we begin, if you're enjoying the videos, hit the subscribe button to support the channel and I thank you for doing so. Now, enjoy the bloopers from the national circuit at the Dubai Autodrome from November 2019 in this video from the Biker Crew UAE.
Missing a gear is as awkward as it is scary. Without a gear indicator, I have to remember which gear I am in, and that doesn't always go according to plan. Turn 7 is one of the trickiest to master on the track. This is what happens when trying to learn the right line. During a track day, we share the track with other riders, and it is important to keep an eye out for them and not get fixated on the lap times alone. Missing an apex can be the result of coming in too fast, missing your turning in point, or missing your braking point, and sometimes it's just a lapse in judgment. Turn 9 is a marvelous corner. The way you enter and exit turn 8 will determine how turn 9 works out for you. The tank slapper. The only thing to do is relax the tension on the handlebars and let the bike sort itself out.
Thanks for watching. As always, ride safe and I'll see you on the road.